masabi niyo dun sa campaign promise ni Davao City Mayor Rodrigo Duterte na he will eradicate crime within 3 to 6 months if ever he wins the presidency? Is this plausible for you based on the perspective?
It's close to impossible because even developed countries like the US or UK, for example, with all their sophisticated state-of-the-art surveillance equipment, they don't give any time frames to eradicating criminality. It's really, don't put a time frame, no? Kasi 3 to 6 months, parang even during the martial law years, taon ang ginawa nila pero still, criminality was not eradicated. Ang dyan is yung magandang strategy to combat all this, especially the illegal drug trade. No?
Sir, if ever Poe wins and you became the crime czar, what are these specific strategies that you're going to employ to stop crime?
Well, first of all, I agree with the mayor when he said illegal drugs is now a threat to national security. So I believe it should be under the purview of the defense, no? The national defense. So you can use the armed forces as a lead agency with the support, of course, of the police, because I think criminality at this stage really is it has become the biggest problem of the country, the major problem of the country. So with the armed forces there, it will easily enforce the law. Of course, with the support of the PNP.
But you don't believe in that time frame given by the mayor?
The time frame really is not enough. What we need is a concrete plan, a good strategy to combat this. Kasi, madali lang sabihin yung gustong pakinggan ng mga tao. Pero dapat, umpisahan natin, pag-isipan natin to, hindi lang puro balls ba? Kasi, di ba, puro ganun puro, forgive me for mentioning, puro bayag lang, no? Dapat, pag-isipan din natin itong mga sinasabi natin. Kasi, tama na huwag na natin lokohin yung mga tao. 3 to 6 months, it's close to impossible.